So here are some laws regarding exchanging the Rabawi items. Rule number 1 is if you are exchanging Rabawi item with same Rabawi item, it must be exchanged equal for equal and delivery should be on spot. This is for exchanging same Rabawi item with same Rabawi. For example, if we are exchanging gold with gold, so then it should be equal for equal and on spot basis. Rule number 2, if you are exchanging Rabawi item with different Rabawi item, so then equality is not necessary, but payment and delivery should be on spot. For example, if you are exchanging gold with silver, so here equality is not necessary. Equality is not condition here, but payment and delivery should be on spot. So rule number 3 is if you are exchanging gold and silver with Rabawi food, so then it is normal sale. So we can understand these rules with the help of this chart. If you want to exchange gold with gold, so then it should be equal on both sides and should be on spot. If you are exchanging silver with gold, so equality is not necessary here, but it should be on spot basis. So if you are exchanging gold with wheat, so then this is normal sale. If you are exchanging dates with gold, it is normal sale. If you are exchanging barley with gold, it is normal sale. If you are exchanging salt with gold, it is normal sale. So if you are exchanging gold with silver, so then equality is not necessary, but it should be on spot basis. If you are exchanging silver with silver, so equality is necessary and should be on spot basis. If you are exchanging silver with wheat, so then it is normal sale. So with the help of this chart, you can get better understanding. So this is the same chart. So gold is exchanged with gold, that should be on spot and equal basis. Silver, if exchanged with silver, should be on spot and on equal basis. But for example, if silver is exchanged with wheat, so then this is normal sale.